Woo-hoo, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Ain't that time yet, but they already got Christmas stuff out at Walmart. And ain't even Halloween yet. Well, technically by the time you're watching it will be, but anyway, you know what I'm saying. Got Christmas out, we ain't even had Halloween yet. They just keep keeping earlier and earlier. On New Year's, they be putting out Christmas for 2026. Anyway, hey, how you doing? How you mama doing? Welcome to Blue White Noise channel as we go for a cold ride this morning. Last of the overnight trips for 2024, maybe. We'll see. Run that intro, we'll dive into it, we'll talk about it, we'll do all them good stuff. Yeah, buddy. Alright folks, we up here at, I don't know. Yeah, I'm recording. We up here at Summerville, Georgia. Summerville, Georgia. And Jim's right here on the left. On the left, on the left, on the left. Can we find a place to park? On the left, on the left. Don't look like we can. There's a motorcycle. Now they parking all the way down here. Oh, buddy, we're just gonna make a loop around, I guess. There's two motorcycles. Three motorcycles. U.S. veterinarians. That truck right there wasn't. Hey, there you are. Well, we got our breakfast filled. Always good. Yep. Good food. Gravy could have been a little bit better, but oh well. Had country ham. It was real good. Not as salty as some places. Yep. Jim's Family Restaurant. Don't turn it that way. Gotta go this way. Still. Well, should have went. Oh, man. Alright, now we made it out of there and my nose is up. Close your visor and your nose starts itching. That's the way it goes. Oh, me, this road's a little rough. Oh, they closed the bridge underpass. Good thing we didn't want to come that way. Because I thought about it. Alright, so we got like 60 miles or so. Yep, exactly 60. Well, this pickup truck wasn't in front of us, so we could have some fun right here on these switchbacks. Whee! The grandma up here, she don't want to take them as fast. Oh me. Well, we coming off the mountain at 2,200 feet. Still haven't seen much color. I've seen some reds and a little bit of yellow, but not much. I figured we would get to see some. Yeah, you probably ain't gonna see nothing off the side over here. Down the side of the mountain, I can see through the trees and see the valley down there. Yep. The hang gliders that flies over that way. We didn't go that way. So we headed off the mountain here, Lookout Mountain, down into Trenton, and then we're gonna make a through the valley and then back up to Tennessee side of Lookout Mountain, across the Tennessee River. I believe it's a Tennessee River. I don't know. It's a river. Tennessee. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. There's another switchback coming back down here where we got to switch back to the left. Grandma's going on now, but she'll slow down to about 25. She'll jam on the brakes. She did a while ago. Just let. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. See there, I told you. There's the brake lights. $15 an hour. I gotta slow down to 15. I'm gonna slow down to 10 to make sure I'm safe. Come on, lady, dang. She really is slowing down to 15. What the hell you doing, lady? Oh, man. I don't know what. She just figured she'd just jump off the road with a one brake light. She told you it was a guy on a bicycle. He giving them. Told you there was a guy on a bicycle. Went down the hill faster than we did. But he won't go up the hill fast as we will. Well, we up here taking some back roads. Yeah. We on Wales Road. Yep. So, yeah. The elevation is about going over this little round. I bet you could jump that if you hit it fast enough. We ain't 1,500 feet above sea level right now. Ghosts. So we almost not too far from the Tennessee line to be in good old Rocky Top. The sign told us to go slow. Duh. This warmed up to 60 degrees. Yep, feels good. Have some goats. Y'all like goats? Have some goat milk, cheese. Woo! Nope, them ain't the fake ones. Well, I missed a turn. It was in the middle of a turn, and I was enjoying the turn, and forgot to turn right when I was going down when the switch back in the left. They put the turn in the middle of the turn. So you don't want to. Hey, that's some color. That's a little bit of yellow and some red. Yeah. So we're down in the holler. This is Murphy's holler. You know, Murphy's law. If you're gonna miss a turn, you're gonna miss a turn. Yep. This is a pretty good little road right here. Just out exploring. Yep, exploring. Looking for fall colors and wineries and roadside attractions and overlooks and pretty scenery. I stopped you and then realized, look at here, look at this road. Boy, it's pretty. Nice scenery, some kudzu, and a little bit of color, you know, some yellowish. It's like, there's some color, that's a little bit of yellowish. It looks like sweet gum. Sweet gum makes sweet gum and maple trees. And y'all camping, there's a spring. They was getting water out of a mountain, out of a plastic cube coming out of a mountain. I thought they was camping. Well, our front door is probably going to go turn. And we're going to turn the other way probably. Yep. That's the river, or the lake, and pond, what are you going to call it? We got a turn down here in about, I say about 800 yards. I think there was a cabin. I looked at an Airbnb right here. I think it was one of them right there, maybe. I don't know. We turning? Are they turning? Are they gonna turn? They are going the other way. Told you they wouldn't go the same way we going. Pretty lake, ain't it? Read that, Nickeljack. Don't get going too fast, because I got to turn down here somewhere. Please. Alright, we got to turn somewhere right here. I bet you so all them signs at. Yep, that's what it is. Hey, well, it's kind of dirt right here at the beginning, and then you got to go up this mountain. Holy Mosey. The good thing is they paved it. Yeah, buddy. Woo. No, we don't meet nobody. Gee. There she is. One way. Oh, wait, one way. Oh, yeah? It wouldn't be a winery if we didn't have some gravel. Whew. Good thing we didn't meet nobody. Because that was steep. Right here. We'll go sit outside. Check the view out. Well, pretty neat place. I got a scenery, but they need some sweet wine. You could order a pizza here. Be a good place to come and hang out and eat pizza. Then we get to go down the hill now. Whee! Down we go. I gotta say, they get a good view. But the only way down is down. I don't like none of them, but oh well. It is what it is. So, I think that's where we're gonna end this one at, so I can get 2 or 3 videos out of this day. Yep. Looks like everybody goes to the left coming out of here. Because there's a hole on the right. So we're going to run around this way and head to the next stop. So if you want to see the next stop, join us tomorrow or 2 days from now. I don't know when, you know, Mondays and Fridays. So yeah. We'll show you the rest of the scenery on the part 2. Hey, here's that guy on that bicycle. Is it the same guy? He just dropped his water bottle. He lost his britches if he did, I think. I can't remember. Anyway, Haynes Bar and Marina down the other way. We're riding around this outside of the road because we're going to Raccoon Mountain Resort Water Park deal, something like that. Reservoir, that's what it is. But you're going to have to hang around and stay tuned. Did I not save that one? Okay. I got that figured out. We got like 19 miles to go. This don't make go on 24. I'm not going on 24. Let me figure it out. Yeah, well, stay tuned and check this out later. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over there and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Yay! Which should be right now. Well, for us, yeah.